Hello students, it's Miss Vargas. I'm going to go over lesson 6.3e, multiply and divide rational numbers. So this is multiplying and dividing fractions or decimals. So I'm going to go ahead and help you out with the 10 problems that you have for your assignment. So for the first question, it says, what is the value of this expression? At 5/8 times 30. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply 5/8 times and then put 30 over 1. You can reduce going this way, simplify the numbers, and if you don't remember, you can just multiply going across. So you would have to multiply 5 times 30, which is 150, and 8 times 1, it's 8. This is not on the answer choices because this right here, it's improper. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we do have to do is divide 150 by 8. And this is going to help you out to see what the answer would be. For the next question, what is the product? So also means multiplication. The 18 is by itself, so I'm going to have to put it over 1. You multiply by 2/5. So for this problem, what you can do is multiply going across, not crisscross, but going across. 18 times 2 is 36, and 1 times 5, it's 5. Again, we get an improper fraction. So we're going to have to divide 36 by 5. And that's going to help you out to find the answer. For question number 3, it's just say to multiply 0.35 by 12. So no fractions here, it's just multiply. Same thing with number 4, no fractions, just multiply 22 times 0.75. Remember about the decimals, where they should go when you multiply. Question number 5, it says a package of 8 pencils costs 96 cents. What is the cost per pencil? So for this one here, we have to find out the cost for one pencil. Per means for one. If you look at the answer choices, that's a very small number. So then that means that we're going to have to divide the 96 cents by 8. Remember, the decimal goes right over here and you start dividing. So you can divide the 8 by 8, the 96, the 0.96. Question number 6, a stack of 6 tokens has a height of 0.9. What is the height of each token? Like for 1. So a stack of 6 tokens has a height of 0.9 inch. What is the length of each of the tokens? So then all of it is 0.9. You're going to divide it by 6 tokens. So again, right here is our decimal and the 0. And you can start dividing. Number 7, Greg's house is 4/5 mile from the library. So far, Greg has walked 5/6 of the distance. How many miles has he walked? So then we have 4/5 and 5/6. Of the distance, of means that we're going to multiply. That's going to be your clue word. So you can reduce if you want to. And when you do, you're going to have to multiply going across, not crisscross, but you can simplify before. Like the 5 becomes a 1, and this 5 also becomes a 1, and then you can do that with the 4 and the 6. Question number 8, a medium can of soup weighs 7/8 of a pound. A small can weighs 2/3 as much as a medium can. How many pounds does a small can weigh? So 2/3 as much would be multiplication. So you can multiply going across. You can also simplify numbers if you remember how to do that. If not, you can multiply and reduce at the end. Number 9, a grapefruit weighed 0.5 kilograms. A lemon weighed 0.24 times as much as a grapefruit. How many kilograms did the lemon weigh? So here already telling you the clue words, times. So there's no fractions, multiply those two numbers. Number 10, Carrie's house is 0.8 mile from school. Ben's house is 0.65 times as far from school as Carrie's house. How many miles is the distance from Vincent's house to school? Clue word times. So we'd have to multiply and no fractions for this one. So make sure you fill out the Google form 1 through 10 and submit. Also, you can check your notes from our math class. You can go back and review how we would multiply fractions.